Clear the next sequence. We have a steady flow coming down. Copy that, logging the previous group now.
Scan results on the horns are clear.
Logging as negative for lesions, doctor. Vitals are stable.
Clear on the left. Confirmed scan, moving to the next section.
In the liming department, automated paddle wheels continuously stir the hides in the alkaline solution, which effectively loosens the hair and residual tissue.
The ratios are stable now. We are clear to increase the dosage flow.
Confirmed. Activating the sequence.
Here in the splitting hall, the hides are separated into the valuable top grain and the underlying split, a process requiring pinpoint accuracy. Oils are applied before the hides enter the automated staking machine, which flexes and softens the material.
There's the breaking point, 3,200 PSI.
Yeah.
That meets the durability standard for the White Brahman line.
I've logged the thickness and color assessment.
Welcome to the White Brahman Bullhorn and Leather Factory. Our advanced inventory system ensures real-time tracking of all products, maximizing efficiency.
Here's your receipt, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.